Hi. Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Forgot who I was there for a second. No, I'm kidding. But long story short, we've been up, we've been down, we've been all around. Um, Top down. Let's go top down and start at the daily chart. I'll pull it over. So obviously here's our, maybe it's not obvious to you, but this is the pivot points going from 1 and 3 down, 3 up, red, blue, brown, pink, whatever. Blue being middle, green, dark green, hardly can see green, S3 through R3. Pivots at 64.96 today, and we've traded up and through R1 today. So that's where we are trading early, so you can say we're trading pivot point to R1 early. We have been down to pivot, looks like, during the session, and then we've been up as high as 66.01, I believe, is the high. Alright, let's move to, so you can see we're inside a trading range is what I'm going to get at here. So we're inside this trading range, inside the $65 range roughly. Hourly, you can see that we had, this is Monday, and the move that happened in Monday into a follow through, well, excuse me, this is Friday, and this is Monday. This was yesterday, so we had a follow through on the Monday briefly, and then it went up. Tuesday it reached up to its 200 bar SMA on the hourly chart and then sold off, and now we're trading back to that 200 bar SMA, where it's also located in ER1 today, and we've been as high as 66.01 on the session. Moving down, 15-minute chart. So it went down as low as, looks like, 64.79 in the session. Let's double check that. Yeah, 64.79. By the way, if you have a T4, you always see where the low is down here and the high up here, 66.01. We'll get to what I'm holding here in a second. So this morning, what I noticed is that we had the sell-off to here, and then we had the up move. Now, as far as highest volume bars today, this low corresponds with a sell of 2049 in red, and this buy corresponds with a high volume bar 2993 in blue. It was around the R1 mark off of this mark right here. There were actually two of them. One for 2,300 and something, and the other, well, I'll show you in a second. Now, let's see, a 15-minute, and moving down to our 5-minute chart. I do this every day. Look top down. Try to get a barometer of what the market has done on the overnights for me in the US. And you can see that it looks like it made a bottom around 5:40 a.m. CST, and it's made a temporary high right now at 8:45 CST up there at the 66.01, with the majority of the gain coming right here at the 7:30 mark. 7:30 in the States, there was a report called Current Account Orange Report, so I don't really believe that was the reason why it moved. Honestly, I believe that it looks like they ran the stops to the low side and they ran the stops to the high side. So that's what it looks like happened today. You had some market manipulation going on. So you had the weak longs getting knocked out here and the weak shorts getting knocked out up here. So it wouldn't surprise me that we trade back and down through here after the inventory report. Now inventories are today. Magic of the inventory report is coming out at 9:30. It's about 18 minutes away from the release. You can notice, maybe you don't see that, but what I've usually set up is a 2/3 stop, which today is 2/3 stop corresponds with 13.3, so rounded up to 14. And I go with this. I usually start with 7p. Move. Seven p move being 170 ticks. If we look at high to low, so now if we plug in how far have we been today, let's plug in that low, 64.79, the high is 66.01. So we've been as high as 66.01, we've been up 5p, 121 ticks. And right now we're trading to 65.71. So roughly it was a 1p down move to almost 1.5. Looks like it's almost 1.5 right now, down, and a 5p up move from the low. So what we really can say is that we've moved up 5p from the low of 64.79. There was a move from 65. There was a early morning 40 tick move. So it's been roughly a 2p down move with a 5p up move. That's what I'm going to get at. Alright, so that's what we see. GAN numbers today, 66.17 on the up, 63.70 on the down. ADR is 1.99, which is 19.9, 20 ticks. So you could hold the 20 tick mark on a 1R today. Alright, that's going to do it for morning setup. We'll see how the report, what it looks like when it comes out. Be back in a few. So what's the goal today? The goal is to be more patient on my entry point. That's the overall goal. And not be so quick to lose 3 in a row. That's the overall goal today. We know there will be some flurry of movement at the 9:30 mark. And you need to wait 1 minute before you can enter. Now, you don't have to actually do that on the Combine. I just follow that logic because I'm trying to simulate how I would handle a normal trading day. We're trading between what, R1 to, well, we're at, I don't know what you can say, R1, R2. Where is R2 today? R2 is located at 66.47. So that could easily be run quickly after the report, and then we can see there's your pivot located at 64.96, which could easily be run after the release of the report as well. So both sides can be hit quickly if it wants to do whatever it wants. It will, excuse me, it will do whatever it wants within reason. It's going to do whatever those that are in the know want it to go. Let's just see if we can catch a ride. That's our job. Hitch a ride, be the remora, the pilot fish, be the remora, stay out of the way of that shark, try to hitch a ride on the train that's rolling by. See you in a few. Alright. 2 minutes to Wapner. Rain Man reference. Less than a minute to the report release. That's all pre-release stuff right here. An anxious market so far, huh? Alright, release is out finally. Blue bar against red bar, 2439 versus 2885. $9.31, going to be patient here. Sometimes that's the hardest thing to do. $83 to short. $65.83. Need 6559. There's a 1p move. 6559. There's a 1p down move. Will protect break even. Hate doing this. No guarantee that we're going down though. If we can get it, 2P down is 65.34. Below that is 65.10. Inventory today was negative 5.9 million. Went to 80 there. We will protect 82. This might be all she wrote right here. Getting one tick, and up we go. All right, going to protect 81 now for sure. So, well, we want to see it bust through here. Let's see it bust through the 58 mark here. Head on down. 65.80. We'll protect the 80 mark. Goes back to 80, it goes to 81 and higher. So let's go ahead and say 79 now. Goes to 79, it's going to go up through 83. We survived the most dangerous part of the trade. Now we're trying to catch the 3P move. You kidding me? $65.80 still holding. I don't think for much longer though. Boy, I look like an idiot now. If the market wanted to go down, it would have already went down. I feel like such an idiot when this happens. One tick lower there. Bastard. Damn it. Should have held 65.81. You never know until it's over. That was a 2p move right there to 34. Not through it, just to it. Shit. Frickin' thing going all the way back to 80. This one here tricking me. Shit! Alright, we hit off of the 200 bar SMA on the 5-minute chart right there. "15 minutes located at 11. Back up to 1p right there on that move. Went to 2 through here. And then it moved all the way back and through the 1p area, 59. Hit a high of 61 there. $45 was that low prior. So it looks like we started this move about a minute prior to the release.
No, you would have been out of it somewhere right now. I definitely wouldn't have wanted to see the market move back to R1 after being down this far. So I believe I'd be at least flat, if nothing else. If I was trading two, certainly would be out one down here on this retracement back and up and through that 45 mark, or at least getting a 1p on one and holding that second one at break even. At most right now. Look at the 15-minute right here. Look at this. We have a line down and a line up, and we settled right here in the R1. Net effect is nothing, right? I'm moving off the 2/3 stop now. If I decide to take any other trades, I'll be going with a 10-tick stop from this point forward. I don't know if I'll take any more or not. I'm going to pause for here until ideally that's the CLPIT, that side of the trade's over now. At most it was a 1p down move, a 2p down move. Should have been able to get 1p out. I think I'd be, at best here I'd be holding break even. But that would be holding multiple contracts though. Be back in a few. Honestly, what I'm waiting for is volume to show me the way here. We've had we played inside this range here. And now we're trading back to that R1 mark. So the net effect of all of this is that it went up and down and settled down around here at the R1 mark. As I put on some trend lines here, trying to see what Gann's trying to tell me here on the fourth time through side, if anything. Three times back up to here though. Honestly, looks like the move's going to be up here. at some point. There's a third time up through here at 70 mark. Put a long signal in here at 73. If it gets back up here again, I got a feeling we're heading up. It'll be the fourth time through I'll be hunting at that point. We'll go 74 though. Make a higher high by right now, and we know that we got to get up through. I mean, I think it goes 74. We can easily run the high of 14 and see what's above that. GAN is 17, and beyond that we got 55. The open is at 79 today. $64.79. I guess we've been up almost $1 from the open. So that's 73 ticks right now. It's taking a while to do that. I'm going to hold off now on any trades. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for volume to show them either way now. Pausing. Alright, I went long at 59. I don't know if this is going to work out. Because again, fourth time through, thinking it would shoot up, and it didn't. And I don't want to take anything else right now. I don't want to start losing trying to guess. I want to wait for volume after this one. Something's going on here. Ain't going up, it's going down. You see the market participants fighting here. $73 is 3p move today. Going to come down to a 5p move though now. Alright, we're going to wait. Looks like getting knocked out on both ends here. Pause. Okay, I'm down to my last trade, trying to find something I want to do. Hate catching lows like that. to the top band there. Can it get above 83? Starting to see some blue starting to kick in here. $79. Up to 80 again. That's that mark. That's what we couldn't get through. So we're going to go up and through it probably now. How far are we going to go above that? I was looking for that move a while ago though. 46 up to 91. $79 to short. That'll be my shot. We have not busted the highs of 17, 14. So I had to flatten that out. I'd rather take a shot at 77. Going after a true 3P target now on any short. So the trade-off today is minus 34 to plus 73. Pausing.
Alright, I decided to stop the bleeding at minus 24 ticks. I'm done on the day. It's Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I am up. Yesterday I was able to catch a nice 70 tick win, and I'm sitting up 366.70 right now. I don't want to lose any more money right now on a market that's kind of settled down. I don't know which way it's going to go. The inventory trade did not work out. It was only a +4. And then I proceeded to lose 28 ticks. I don't want to increase that right now, so I'm going to take the better part of discretion. Is better part of valor is discretion. Time to step aside. Bye for now.